Guys, today I'm playing Rain Mode or something with my friend Jacob. We are slug cats and I have a rock. Hey Jacob! Oh, knock knock! Fuck! Jacob's on Steam, so you probably can't hear him voice calling me. He doesn't really have Discord. It sucks. He's not allowed Discord, that is so sad. Oh, I gotta fly! You are trash fly hunting, you know. Yes? Who's that? Peter? No one there. No one's there. Knock knock, who's there? Nobody. No one's there because you have no friends. Oh, it's raining. We're playing on Steam Play too, so technically Jacob could sabotage me. This game is so fun, and I only started recording because we were having so much fun. Hey! Ah! I want to walk. Hey, what's that? What I am doing? Now I prefer to you. Me my way. You wanna see the slug cat dance that I made up? No. No, it's a better one. It's this. The slug cat dance. The slug cat dance. The sluggiest cat dance. It is so cute. Look at this slug cat. Jacob! Yes, I think it's gonna rain soon too. Whoa. Whoa, it's raining. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. The rain killed him. Wait, really? I thought he was just like knocked out. I think he actually died. Oh yeah, the flies are pests, and if you go near them with the grass, they just dive into the grass. Whoa, that was the best hit I've done. I want to drag the dead crocodile to dead. Bye! I dragged the dead crocodile to deadland. I took the dead crocodile to deadland. Yippee! Hey, Jacob, want to know how to do a dive bomb? Come down there. Want to know how to do a dive bomb, Jacob? Basically, first you start out like this. Basically, you start out like this. Dives off a cliff. Hey, look, it's a ducklet. I love these ones. No, please, Jacob. I'm coming to comfort you. I'm coming, Jacob. Don't worry. counts as food. No, look. Oh, I got one. Look. Yum. It actually counts as food. So it's like, hey, my house. Hey, let's go with me. Why are you trying to stab me? Why are you? Get out of my house! What are you doing? My kryptonite! Ah! Hey Jake, want to know how to quickly complete this level? 1. Die. Yeah, 2. Have your friend go into their home. I'm trying to get food. I'm so hungry. I'm the hungriest. I'm going to die of hunger. Yo, let's do more sessions. I'm gonna add some more maps. Yeah, let's reset the maps and choose some different ones. This one is fun. This one is fun. This one is fun. This one I don't like this. This one looks fun. This one is fun. This one looks fun. This one is fun. This one is very fun, I remember that. Web is the best. Should I turn the wildlife up a bit or not? Okay. Come on, you should get Discord so my one viewer can hear you. What's your toilet head? Toilet head. Toilet head. I found the book! Yes. Yes. No, I'm eating fat and drinking poop. Not as long as you keep struggling, so I'll come help. It's really hard to kill certain people. Oh. Grrr, that made me so much. Ah! Help me, Jacob. Help me, help me. No. Jacob, knock, knock. Jacob, knock, knock. What? What is that? Yes? Knock, knock. Fuck. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. I'm out of here. Stealth mission. Oh dear, he's got the walk. Walk. Let me out of here. He's insane. He's an insane. Ah, it's the crocodile! Haha, crocodile movie. Crocodile and fat stinky movie. Yeah. Top left. No, top right. From my left and right, it's jumbled up my head. No, why not you? Grr, I wish for a walk. I have no walk. Jacob, do you know who's coming? Do you know who's going to kill you with a hook? I would kill when it stops moving. Okay. I think it died. Good, Jacob, you're wasting too many space. I'll beat you to death with a rock. Oh dear. Oh dearie dear. Give me that rock, give me that rock. No, but it's a cool monster. I'm getting food, I go home. I think it's home time. Jacob! Home time! No! Stinky! Yeah. This is absurd, right? Yeah. Oh, it's one of this map. This map's really good. This map's going to be started with. Hey, Jacob. Knock, knock. Spear! Ah! I'm so mad at you. No, let's play League of Gold. Just jump over me. You have to lie down so I can leap over you. Right. Wait, how do you do that? How do you do that? Oh, wait, Jacob, watch out. Let me try something. This is gymnastics. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. Jacob, try and attack me. Here's the book. Over there. Book is over there. You missed. See? I just did a backflip. Yeah, it looks a bit wet. Let's go. I want to learn how to do a backflip. Jacob, stop drowning in water. No. Fat. We swapped house. You hold the button you used to pick up it. How'd you do the backflip? That just crashed our game. Oh, no it didn't. So how'd you do it? Climb down and then I hold opposite key. How do you do it? That makes sense. Jacob! Can we eat it? Hey, that person's in the way. Can we commit a fatal crime? Make sure to fall down all the way into the bottomless pit of hell. It's the funniest thing. I will fight that trap. Let me open it. Get on me. I will take you down with me. Die! I took you down with me. Will I be remembered? I have to move. It's ah! That makes me stop! Mike. Hey! Hey! My body! What? Ah! You'll take a bullet to the bottomless pit of hell. No! That is my house. You stinky toilet baby. That is my house. Yes, that is my house, you stinky toilet baby. Stinky toilet baby. I wanna get down. How do I get down? Okay. Yep. Wait, am I just stuck in here? This doesn't work. Whoa. I can ram and then I can, like, dodge. If you jump and press down at the same time. Good job, Cookie. I want to leave this eternal imprisonment I've been left into to be tortured forever. Please, whoever's locked me in here, give me an escape. Hey, I don't think it's raining. It's not raining, it's just a little bit of water. Okay, forget what I said, it's raining. I'm so sorry. I wanna just be able to swim around, you know. Just have a character where you can just swim around. Where like it just has double breath. I'm in the worst corner because it's covered mostly by the infants. How do I escape from this? I hate this. I can't go in here. Ow. Me, ouch! You know, because with cats, me, ouch. Dance, 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 dance. I hate this map. Why did I choose this map? I thought it was fun. It looks like fun. Seafood, eat food. Seafood, eat food. How do I find what everywhere? Here. I wanna go. Hey Jacob! Jacob! You tofu! You tofu! Jacob tofu! Yes. Yay! Look at that alligator just spazzing out. Oh, this map is cool. Mama pushes you off the edge. Mama come get you and push you off the edge, naughty boy. That's what Mama do. Pushes you off the edge, you naughty boy. Let's try have it rain, but we don't go into the bed. I want to see what happens. Because this map doesn't look like it's very rainy. What if we stand under something? Because things block rain. Let's stand under something and have it rain. No, that's only certain maps. Look, there's a void to this map, so go in the void. No, over here. Under this thing. Here, I'll mind control you there. Oh, no, you did a backflip. That's lagging, I think. Game of mind control. I don't know, but I'm gonna try my chances here because there's food. Food. No. Thanks for making the rain earlier. I think I'll go in here actually. Okay. What? 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 Whoa! What's happening? Whoa! Yo! Whoa! 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 Slug cat running. Let's see how. I can't see anything, I can only see the electric flashes. Maybe I died.